Hello guys, welcome back to section 6 of video number 6 in our introduction to programming with introduction to object-oriented programming with Python series. So in this tutorial we're going to be looking at properties in Python. So in the last tutorial we looked at getters and setters, and let me just go back into VS Code. So this is what we ended from last time. We wrote a getter right here, an accessor, also an accessor, and also we wrote a setter, right, basically a mutator. So in Python, there are more Pythonic ways of doing this. I want to teach you the modern Pythonic ways of doing this instead of just writing getters and setters like this. So to do this in Python, we're going to be using a decorator. Again, if you know what a decorator is, I have a whole series on decorators on my channel, so you can check that out. So to use a decorator, to make a getter, we simply have to go ahead and simply say, use add or just say property, just like that. So that's going to make it a getter. And we don't have to use the get keyword anymore. We're just going to go ahead, going to go ahead and simply delete get and just say password. So that's basically it because we're returning password, right? So if a person wants to get access to this password anymore, it doesn't have to use get password. You just have to simply say password, just like this, and it's going to return to us access to that password. You can see get back password. So good. Just by doing this now, it makes everything easy. You can see it's a property that returns to us a string. Basically, that's what you have to do. And now to make a mutator or a setter, you have to say at, and then the name of the property, which is password, that you're trying to set is password, and then say dot getter, dot setter, basically. So now you have to go in here and also change this to be password. So that's all. So if a person says, now you have to change the password. You don't have to say set password equal and then call that function anymore. You say set you can say dot password, and then they say dot password, and then say equals to this password, this string object here. So once we have that, if I go ahead and simply run the code again, now you're able to also to reset password again. So good. So that's basically how now you write getters and setters in modern Python. Another way we can do this is also we also have something related with getters and setters, which is called delete. This is not commonly used in Python, but you also have it. It's called called password. So make sure that all you can see is get. Sorry, as you can see is password. Even the getter is the setter is also password. Even this one is going to be password, right? So in here, you're going to say simply say self. And what you're going to go ahead and do, you're going to try to delete. So this one delete, and you're going to say self dot underscore password, right? So that's it. So to make this a deleter, you have to just simply say this is a dollar the so we have to make this the password and say dot delete and then simply delete, and that's all we have to do. So now to delete the password of this object, you have to simply go in here and say delete. You say deal and then John dot password. So that also is a delete. And now if you run the code, we should now it's a bit we should get an error because we deleted the password and trying to print out the password, but it's still because we are setting the password after that. So let me just comment this part of the code out. So just run the code again. Now you can see we have deleted the password that you're trying to print. That's why it does not exist anymore because we have deleted that password, because you're calling this getter and it's trying to return to us this password which we have already deleted using the deleter or the delete operator, the deleter, right? So the deleter decorator. Okay, so that's basically how we can use properties in Python, and that's how we can write getters and setters in modern Python syntax. So if you're coming from other programming languages, the method I showed you in the last video, you have probably used that method, but in Python, this is how we do it. You use the property decorators. Okay. Again, if you're new to decorators, you can decorator is just a function, a callable that takes in an input as a callable and returns a callable as an output. So you can check out my video on decorators or on my YouTube page. So that's all for this video. Again, if you like the video, the one you can simply support the channel just by liking this video, hitting the like button, subscribing to the YouTube channel, leaving a comment in the comment section below. Let me know why I can improve on, why I can put more effort for the videos to become better. Again, you can also support me by buying me coffee. The link of to that is going to be in the description. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Keep safe.